Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. Let me start with a question. Are you worried that artificial intelligence will take your job? Or are you excited that artificial intelligence might create new opportunities? Today, we're going to talk about how AI is changing jobs and careers, not from a fear perspective, but from a realistic, practical, and future-ready viewpoint. Whenever people hear about AI, automation, or machine learning, the first thought is always the same. Will AI replace humans? Headlines say. AI replacing jobs, AI automating work, AI reducing human effort. But the reality is much more nuanced than just job loss. AI is not simply removing jobs. AI is reshaping how work is done. Let's zoom out for a moment. In the past, Industrial Revolution replaced manual labor. Computers replaced typewriters. Internet replaced physical communication. Did jobs disappear? Yes. Did new jobs emerge? Absolutely. AI is just the next transformation wave, not the first one. Artificial intelligence does not replace people. Artificial intelligence replaces tasks, specifically repetitive tasks, rule-based tasks, high-volume manual work, pattern recognition work. For example, data entry, basic reporting, simple customer support, manual monitoring. These tasks are being automated, not entire careers. Let's take customer support as an example. Earlier, humans answered every question, same questions repeated thousands of times. Now, AI chatbots handle common queries. Humans handle complex, emotional, and strategic issues. So did customer support jobs disappear? No, they evolved. Many roles are not disappearing, they are transforming. Examples: marketers now use AI for content ideation. Analysts use AI for faster insights. Developers use AI co-pilots for coding. Designers use AI for rapid prototyping. The human role shifts from doing everything to guiding, validating, and improving AI outputs. At the same time, AI is creating entirely new roles. Some examples: AI engineer, prompt engineer / AI designer, ML ops engineer, AI product manager, AI ethics and governance specialist. These roles did not exist a decade ago. AI removes friction and creates new opportunities. AI is becoming a career multiplier, a professional with AI skills. Works faster, makes better decisions, delivers higher impact. For example, someone who knows Excel versus someone who knows Excel plus AI. The second person is far more powerful. AI is not replacing skilled professionals, it's amplifying them. So what skills actually matter now? Not just coding, key future-proof skills, problem solving, critical thinking, domain knowledge, data literacy, AI, collaboration skills, learning mindset. People who adapt quickly will always stay relevant. Many people think, to survive AI, I must become an AI engineer. That's not true. You don't need to build models from scratch. You need to understand how to use AI effectively in your domain. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human judgment. The real risk is not AI. The real risk is not upgrading skills, ignoring AI, resisting change. History shows one thing clearly. Those who adapt survive and thrive. Here's how you can prepare. Learn AI basics. Not everything. Apply AI to your current role. Build small projects. Stay curious. Continuously learn. AI rewards doers, not observers. AI is not here to replace humans. AI is here to remove repetitive work, increase productivity, unlock creativity, enable better decisions. The future belongs to humans who know how to work with AI. So instead of asking, will AI take my job? Ask, how can AI help me grow my career? If you found this video useful, thumbs up, like the video push pin, subscribe to the channel Speech Balloon, comment your thoughts, and if you're interested in building AI-powered products or careers, feel free to connect. AI is not the end of work. It's the beginning of a new way of working. If you enjoyed this deep dive, check out our other videos on Agentic AI, RAG, and no-code AI tools. Like, share, subscribe, and keep exploring the future of AI. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.